The long sound R. Almost all of the time, this sound is spelled as AR. For example, in car, market, park, large, start, hard. But a little side note, I've pronounced all of these words with a non-rhotic accent. That means I only pronounce the long R, but not the letter R. For a rhotic speaker, it would be market, park, or car. Another common spelling for R is simply the letter A. For example, in father, can't, past. But we can also find it in heart and aunt. Can you think of some more examples for words with the sound R? Write them in the comments below.